Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. Yeah, BNB is continuing in its slow motion, well, you could actually say sideways action. This more and more turns into a really boring sideways structure. I mean, we had a pretty well-defined so-called ascending wedge structure. These are often called diagonal structures as well. I mean, in this case, it's just a simple correction, but oftentimes you just see these consolidations as wedge patterns, and it seems like also here, because the break to the downside so far occurred, at least we broke below the trend line. As you can see here, yeah, price broke below this ascending trend line. It retested it from below successfully, but it's just not following through directly. So it is not really a rapid sell-off, which is a bit unusual. So what we have here, we are moving in a corrective manner and cannot push above resistance. Resistance goes all the way up to $268, $269. So that means we cannot really carry on or defend this imminent bearish sell-off idea above $269 anymore. That's the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the third wave down, which bottomed here on the 12th of June. And a break above that level would really question the idea or thesis that we could be in a fourth wave still. I mean, it might have topped anyway, but what I want to emphasize is that a break above the 50% retracement would be too strong for a wave 4, and it could indicate that a low has already been made. Now, the thing is that at the moment, because we are below resistance and price is purely consolidating in a corrective fashion with a lot of overlapping price action after a fairly strong drop, we have to assume that the trend is going to continue to the downside, because the sell-off pressure is just simply there. There is still a lot of selling pressure, especially after price dropped below the ascending trend line. However, you can see that the downside momentum isn't really going, okay? So it's not really selling off rapidly despite the break, but it could be that it's just retesting this trend line and will then go. My view is that we need to see a break below $230, which is here also the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement, to really get a more rapid sell-off or the acceleration of the sell-off in the wave 5, with then possible support at the 88.7 Fib level at $208. But it's really a slow motion price development here at the moment. So essentially that means that above $269, something more bullish can take place, and we might have to revise the wave count because price would be pushing above resistance. Below the trend line here, the selling pressure is, in my opinion, very strong, but we need to see a break below 230 to reach the next target of 208. And that's sort of at the moment the view. I cannot confirm at any time here at the moment that a lasting low is in place. BNB would need to do a lot of work for that. At the moment, I think primarily another low would still be very much preferred, from where price could then develop or build a new upside structure. Okay, that's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.